Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're constantly on the lookout for that holy grail product that promises to mend split ends, protect from heat damage, and keep your hair feeling smooth and nourished, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to take a closer look at a product that's created quite a buzz in the hair care world: Olaplex Nº.5 Leave-In Conditioner. Olaplex is a brand known for its revolutionary approach to repairing and protecting damaged hair, and this leave-in conditioner is no exception. Designed to work wonders on all hair types, it claims to moisturize, reduce breakage, protect from heat, and continuously repair hair over time. But does it live up to its promises? Let's break it down. First off, the texture is rich but not heavy, which is key when you're dealing with a leave-in conditioner. You don't want anything that weighs your hair down or leaves a greasy residue. This cream-based formula is gluten-free, cruelty-free, and vegan, which is always a big plus for conscious consumers looking for clean, ethical beauty products. When I started testing Olaplex Nº.5, I noticed that it immediately made my hair feel softer and more manageable. I applied it to damp hair and could already feel the detangling effect, which was great. No more battling knots after a shower. After blow drying, my hair looks smoother and shinier, with no frizz in sight. The heat protection aspect is important for me, as I regularly use styling tools, and I felt like my hair was shielded from that damaging heat without losing its softness. The real question here is, does it live up to the repair and protection claims? After using it consistently for a couple of weeks, I did see improvements in my hair's overall health. Split ends were less noticeable, and my hair seemed stronger. Of course, you can't expect a leave-in conditioner to magically fix extreme damage, but this product definitely helped to maintain and improve the condition of my hair between salon visits. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, it does exactly what it says it will: detangling, moisturizing, and protecting against breakage. The formula is lightweight, making it easy to use without weighing down the hair, and it leaves a pleasant, fresh scent. The fact that it's vegan, cruelty-free, and gluten-free adds another layer of appeal for anyone who's mindful of their beauty product choices. On the downside, while the product is effective, it's not the most affordable option on the market. If you're working with a tighter budget, you might find the price tag a little steep. However, for the results it delivers, I do think it's worth considering if you're serious about hair repair and protection. In terms of value for money, Olaplex Nº.5 definitely sits in the higher price range. That said, you're not just paying for a standard conditioner. You're investing in a product designed to repair and protect your hair from further damage, and this could save you money in the long run by preventing costly salon treatments or frequent trims. If you're on the hunt for a cheaper alternative, you might want to look into options like Shea Moisture or L'Oreal's Elvive line, which also offer leave-in conditioners focused on repair and moisture, though they might not deliver the same level of damage control as Olaplex. Olaplex Nº.5 comes in sleek, simple packaging that's easy to use. The pump dispenses just the right amount of product, so you won't waste any. In terms of longevity, a little goes a long way, especially if you have fine or medium hair, so it should last a decent amount of time. Now, as for customer support, while I haven't personally needed to reach out, Olaplex has a reputation for being responsive and helpful when it comes to addressing customer concerns or issues. This is always reassuring if you're buying a product from a brand known for its premium price points. To wrap up, Olaplex Nº.5 Leave-In Conditioner is a high-performance product for anyone dealing with hair damage or looking for heat protection. It's especially great for those with dry, frizzy, or processed hair. While it's a bit of an investment, the results speak for themselves: stronger, healthier hair with reduced breakage and a sleek finish. If you've used this product, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experience. And don't forget, if you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on all our honest beauty reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.